Before patients are treated, classes begin. Before families move into public housing or the first boots hit the ground, something critical needs to happen. Essential social infrastructure must be clean, safe, and ready to use, because shutting down is never an option. Downer delivers this certainty every day. We keep hospitals operational so patients can receive safe, quality care. We maintain schools, TAFEs and universities so learning can go on without a hitch. We support Defence Forces, shaping strategy and capability, upgrading infrastructure and maintaining facilities so bases and personnel are mission ready. We underpin public housing so homes are safe, ready and able to support the next chapter for families in need. And we keep correctional facilities running safely, smoothly and securely to maintain fit-for-purpose environments. Our strength is our delivery capability, built on a true trans-Tasman footprint, sophisticated supply chains and a large in-house workforce. This gives us the scale to deliver and the reliability to keep vital services running. Smart, scalable systems drive our performance, processing millions of work orders, delivering real-time insights and helping customers stay connected. Demand will only grow. As defence needs evolve amid a shifting geopolitical environment, we're there, Australia's largest sovereign defence partner, trusted for over 80 years by the ADF and for over a decade by the NZDF. We're also improving hospital capacity and accelerating housing turnover to meet growing community needs. Our work isn't often in the spotlight, but without it, nothing moves forward. While our customers focus on care, learning and protecting, we make sure they can.